Have you ever wondered what keeps your fan coil unit running efficiently through both heating and cooling seasons? The answer lies in one small but powerful component, the Schneider two-way zone valve and actuator. Welcome to PartsHnC. Today, we'll show you how to install and replace a Schneider two-way zone valve and actuator in a two-pipe FCU system, ensuring smooth operation and better energy efficiency. The two-way zone valve controls the flow of hot or chilled water through your FCU coil, helping the system switch seamlessly between heating and cooling. It works in sync with the actuator. When the thermostat calls for cooling, the actuator opens the valve for chilled water. When heating is required, it allows hot water instead. Before installation, always turn off the power to the FCU and close both the supply and return shutoff valves. Start by removing the actuator using the release button. Even a 24-volt model detaches easily for reinstallation later. Next, prepare the pipes for soldering, clean the fittings and pipe ends until shiny, and deburr edges to prevent leaks. Apply a thin layer of flux or soldering paste on both surfaces. Then position the valve and solder it using MAP gas and 95/5 solder for a strong, leak-proof joint. In tight spaces, use slip couplings for easier alignment without a center stop. Once soldered, use a Pro Press tool to secure the joints firmly. Reinstall the actuator and manually open the valve by pressing its spring to confirm water flow and check for leaks. Restore power and run the FCU. It should now operate efficiently with balanced temperature control. Finally, insulate the pipework using fiberglass for straight runs and cork insulation tape for fittings and valves. This maintains efficiency and gives a clean, professional finish. Your installation is complete. For genuine Schneider valves, actuators, and other HVAC parts, visit PartsHnC.com, your trusted destination for genuine components. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest for more HVAC installation tips and professional insights. Thanks for watching.